Today I will be discussing math word problems for second grade by Urzua. Our first problem will be Jaden has 10 crayons. He is given 11 more from his sister. How many crayons does he have now? This will be an addition that is used to solve this problem. So we'll do 10 plus 11, and that'll give us a sum of 21. Moving on to the next problem. Olivia had 9 flowers. She gave 4 of those flowers to her best friend, Aubrey. How many flowers does Olivia have left? Here, subtraction will be used to solve this problem. So you will take your 9 figures and take away 4, and you'll get a sum of 5. Children will often, at this stage, use their fingers, or they can use tally marks. There's so many different things that they can use to get to this problem. The next problem. Eternal is mowing lawns during the summertime. He charges $10 per house. If he mows the lawn of 10 houses, how much money will he make? So here, multiplication is used to figure out this problem. So you will take the $10 per house, and times that by 10 houses, and he'll get $100. Eternal will earn $100 from charging $10 per house, and he will mow the lawns of 10 houses. Next, we're moving on to the next problem. Alexis is planting her very own garden. She plans to have 8 herbs planted. Each herb will be divided into groups of 4. How many different groups will there be in each group to be even? So we are going to use division to solve this problem. We're going to take the sum of 8 and divide it by 4, and then we'll get an answer of 2. The answer was calculated by dividing 8 into groups of 4 and therefore creating 2 groups of trees. Next, if Harmony has a whole pizza that is cut evenly into 8 slices and she gives her friend exactly half of the pizza, how much of the pizza will Harmony get? Well, here she's going to use fraction. So if the pizza has 8 slices and it is divided equally, each person will get 4 slices. Therefore, each person will get 4/8 of the pizza. However, if you were to look at this is a whole pizza, and we're going to give half to Harmony and half to her friend, you would give basically a half of the pizza. But here, we documented that it's 8 slices. When doing math problems, word problems, there are many different action words that can be used. There are also many different ways to solve the problems. Here are a few math action words that vocabulary with superpowers. We have addition. You could use the words add, sum, plus, join, combine, altogether, both, in all, total, and increase. Next, we have subtraction. It could be subtract, difference, decrease, take away, less, fewer, minus, or how many more. We also use the word multiplication. Multiply, product, double, triple, groups of, times, per, each, equal groups. Then to division, divide, quotient, shared, half, equal groups, divided, equally, each, and between. Here are ways that they can solve a math problem. They can use their fingers. They can count on. They can use a 10 frame, tally marks, mental math. They can draw a picture if that's what's best for them. They can also be introduced to a number line, or they can write a number sentence. Here I'm showing the children's work. 1 through 3 was answered by Eternal, who's age 9, and then 4 and 5 was answered by Jaden, age 10. So I gave each of the children the problems to answer, and both of them did quite well.